Welcome to Finding the Voices. Right now I am at Caesar Hospital and I am with Saroj Nalini Khomdram, and I have come here to talk a little bit about the fundraising we have done for palliative care. So sir, what I wanted to do today was, I have been doing the fundraising for
Definitely.
more than I think
grateful.
1 year.
We are very grateful for that, and it is a really wonderful job that you are doing.
Yeah, but I think that fundraising was one of the most challenging and difficult tasks for me, and I challenged myself because it's not only about
It must
fundraising, it is also about the community giving back,
Exactly.
right?
Very true. And awareness, which we have done a
Right.
lot. Awareness that you have spread along with that work that you have done. So it is tremendous job. Yes.
So I have tried different techniques in trying to do the fundraising. Initially I thought, okay, let me do the greeting cards with flowers of our place, and it didn't quite kick off, right? I mean, I love painting. My painting is not the greatest and the
No, it's very
nicest.
beautiful. It is very beautiful. We know, I've seen it.
So it did kick off when I started with the painting,
Right.
and we were very fortunate that we got 3 people
Right,
who
and we
offered.
met, I personally met Sonia from Australia who had come. So that I have met her personally. The others I have not met personally, but we have met her personally, and she was very happy, and she was very impressed with your work as well as our work also on palliative care. And we went to her house also, and she was really very impressed with her, and she was happy that she could do something through you for palliative care. It was a really wonderful time, and it's really appreciable. Yes.
So, but I would like to acknowledge everyone who has contributed, because this is not only about contributing the fund, but it's also about setting example within our community in collaborating in the art of giving. So I would like to just read out all the names. We have actually 28 people who have contributed in this whole project. So we had 3 paintings, and the rest of them we did it through books and then the greeting cards of my painting.
Very nice.
So we have Muhammad O, Mark and Megan. They're my children.
Oh, wonderful.
So
Very nice.
they did actually come up with their pocket money, because initially when I started selling the cards, I was not getting any response, and I was like, oh, I'm doing it, and they actually helped me pack all this.
Yes. Oh,
And I wanted
very
to
nice.
share this sample.
Yes.
So we printed it, we packed it, and that's how we shipped it. So, and then I tried it with some books, and that's when they came up and said, oh, Mama, can we contribute? And so that was a very nice moment.
Very sweet of them. Very nice of them.
Then we have Sonia Y, Tamo Arun Kumar, Da Gojendro, Somesh, Susan, Monica, Suzanne, Sonia, Gracie, Haukamang, Tampa, Navneet, Nancy, Ratan Kumari, Tuleshwari, Samita, Hira, Nabakeshwar, Louis, Santi, Aditi, Vanessa, Charlene, Jamuna, and Sonia. So I wanted to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of these 28 members who believed in our cause and made this possible. So with the funds,
From my side also, thank you, and thanks to all of them. Very big thanks to all of them, and through you, because of your work, because of your this thing towards them, and your knowledge towards them, and you knowing them. So we are thankful to each and every one of them. Yes.
so my goal was 1,01,000 rupees.
Yes.
And I did achieve around 75,000, and the remaining Finding the
Wonderful,
Voices
wonderful. Very nice. Very nice. It's a big effort. Yes.
right, and the remaining Finding the Voices would add it up and complete the full 1,100,000 rupees. So I wanted to call Ima and give the remaining money over here. Ima na kutsam bira. Sige.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is so much touching and so wonderful. Thank you so much.
So with that,
Ojaga Monica gana to birisi aga pafangna kudi hangde karamaina gratitude utkadam no kari to aga pafangna no aji Monica gana ojaga na to birisi yes.
Dagi aina mathang tarakpadana, like I wanted to share with you about my new project. So when I started painting, I didn't know where it was leading, and I think the response I got for the fundraising for palliative care was awesome, and I wanted to continue using my art for initiatives of Manipur, you know, who are doing great jobs but haven't really got much exposure, or not many people have known. So that is one of my
About Manipur.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's really wonderful.
Yes, and so one of the project I'm working right now is 1001 Thakachari, and the main goal for this project is for me to meet 1001 people and let them share about gratitude. And the reason why I'm inspired to do this project is because I feel that our community needs more positive vibes, and also identifying role models within
Very
our
much,
community.
very much. Yeah.
And also encouraging more words of gratitude rather than the critical comments we see in our day-to-day life.
True, very true.
So I have been doing this project for quite some time now, and we are now at close to 30 people, and we have got a very tremendous response.
Yes, I've seen that. I've seen many of the videos myself, and it's really wonderful, very nice.
So I
And
wanted
some
to
of them very touching also.
Yes.
And yes, and very inspiring. Most of them, almost all of them are very inspiring and very touching, and it's very nice.